Okay, and now we take this look in here, and there is really oil filter, and this is a crankshaft puller feel, that one. And now when we look in this up area, we can see in here there is alternator in here, that one, and there is this part is our tensioner, that one. And there is this tensioner bolt, but I have to soon rotate, and there is in this area there is also, this is AC compressor, and there is a water pump in this area, and in up we have this power steering feel. Power steering feel, it is in here, in that area. In up and all of these areas I have to rotate this my belt, AC compressor, fly feel, alternator is in here, that part, and then there is one support feel in here, and there is this tensioner and water pump there, and final up is this power steering. Okay, and now I have to rotate this my belt, and there is direct rule, and let's go that how I remember this road, because it is important. And now I am in here up, and I have to manage, I have to connect this my cable. Now in here it have to be come up in here, and now it is like, now it's like curved, and I have to set up this in this phase in here, that phase, in that way. And now I have to little bit adjust these things, and this belt installation takes time, because all of these points must be to be installed in same time, and final part is that I release this tensioner. But let's look when I set up a little bit this upper belt in proper right position. And then this the most important thing, this tensioner movement. Firstly we need 22 millimeter spanner, and it must to be thin and so long than possible. And then I install this my spanner in that tensioner bolt in here, that way. And now I move that, this my, and it moves nicely, that one, in up, okay. And we can look also that, yes, this wheel moves in here, and this is the trick. Now I have to move that in this way, and I need only to check that what is this belt road, because this is the difficult thing number one, because I don't know that how I rotate this belt in this area. But now we know that when I lift that up, tensioner moves. Okay, good. Now I have to go to check in my papers that in what way this belt goes in there.